17. It was really nice. Rebecca did not wear my winter coat for the first time in a long time, right?
We've been loving this weather. It's what we've been asking for, so we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Now everyone loves it,
right? I know.
It was one of those things, though, because some people, they do love the cold, but we didn't just get seasonally cold. We were tundra cold.
Next level, right?
It
but
really was.
Look, it is still January. It's winter, so we'll take these brief reprieves when we can to see sunshine and warm temps.
And we're going to continue to have it not only just for today, but y'all, the next 7 days, we will be trending well above average. We should be topping out at 50, and I've got not only 50s, but 60s, mid-60s for that in parts of the 7 days. So here's some quick notes of what you can expect when it comes to the next few days. Sunny, warm, bright. Today is almost a copy and paste of yesterday. The difference will be we'll have a few thin upper level clouds trying to streamline in. That's not going to hinder you from having the sunshine. It's almost just like a little filter has been put on. We are going to have quite a bit of rain moving in starting tomorrow morning, continuing throughout the day, parts of overnight before pulling out on Friday. I anticipate just about everybody to receive around 1 to 2 inches. Some spots where the center really starts to take shape could see upwards of 3 inches. And in those spots, we'll be looking at the potential for localized flooding. Our severe threat very low with this event. Friday, things will start to clear out. We'll get a little cooler touch on Saturday before we have Sunday, and that's going to be the warmest and bright day ahead. Current temperature 45 degrees here in Nashville. We should be starting out at 30, so not only are afternoons feeling good, our mornings not necessarily having that big January bite. Over in Murfreesboro, y'all are coming in at 42, not picking up anything in the way of moisture, but our system itself, that's going to grab all the moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. You already can tell we've got a little bit trying to trail in. It doesn't look too significant as of yet, and there's a reason why, because it's still developing. Remember when we had all of that snow, that Arctic blast that was with us? Well, we had the cold air in place, and then we eventually got the moisture from the Gulf, but we didn't see it right off the bat. Similar situation here, except we're talking warmer conditions. As we make our way into tomorrow, the severe storm risk continues to stay well to our south. I'm talking into Louisiana. Could we have a rumble of thunder? Yes, but that is going to be more the exception than the rule. But for today, nice base level. You'll notice we've got some 20s. From parts of Cookeville, 39 in McMinnville. Parsons are at 34. You head into Parrish, y'all are coming in at 35. Just over into Hopkinsville, 38 to start off our day. Winds are pretty light, but you'll notice quite a bit of a movement as we go throughout the next few hours. Like yesterday, we're going to have a nice breeze going throughout today, but it's going to be tomorrow, continuing throughout not only Thursday night, but into parts of Friday, and it is going to get real windy. We're going to have some of these winds gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour at times. So you've got a lot of rain and wind moving in. The timing of this will start tomorrow ahead of sunrise, areas off to our west, and that will continue to take over, especially heavy, steady activity as we make our way throughout the afternoon. You'll notice this particular model keeps the center of this a little more to our north, making areas down to our south in the Tennessee Valley where we need the rain the most, not going to have as much precipitation. You'll still have something, though, especially once we get that final push going Thursday night into parts of Friday. Friday as a whole is going to be on the drier side. Here's the thing, though. We'll have some wraparound moisture. And as you know, the wraparound moisture is a little more misty than what you have as it's first coming in. How much are we looking at, though? I mean, this particular model has us getting over 3 inches, areas off to our far west. And it's all about that track. And I do look for some of that to pan out. Your 7-day forecast, 62 degrees today, sunny, beautiful, and bright. Tomorrow, splash alert. It is going to be messy out there. Thankfully, it's not going to be that cold, cold rain. I just have a spring-like feel as temperatures will top out at 57. 66 Friday. We'll see some sunshine trying to win out. Saturday will top out around 55. We'll start off Sunday, upper 30s, low 40s, a high of 65, and staying dry and warm, Rebecca, as we enter the work week.